Wow, Pinky! Look at the beautiful ducks! Let's catch them! Today we will cook a very delicious duck curry. Here is a duck! Wow, now I have caught 3 ducks together! There are beautiful fish in the pond, so let's catch some fish too! Look! A fish has risen on my hook! Let's catch some more fish! Wow, I got a puppy fish! I put a cloth on the fish to see if it is puffy. Yes, it has puffed up like a ball. I will raise these beautiful fish in my own pond for a few days. And now let's get all the spices ready for cooking the duck. First, I will chop the small tomatoes. Then I will lightly fry these whole spices and grind them into powder in a blender. Now I have taken 3 whole ducks. First, I took ginger garlic and onion paste. Then I added tomato sauce and some powdered spices. Now I will rub all the spices nicely. Now I will put an iron grate on a hot stove and put all the ducks on it one by one. And after some time, I will turn the ducks upside down and brush oil on it nicely. In the meantime, we will prepare the duck roast curry. Now first, I will pour some oil into the bones. Then I will add 2 cinnamon sticks. Now I will add garlic paste and chopped onion. Then I will add some turmeric and salt. Now I will add some chopped tomatoes. Finally, I will grind the spices nicely with some coconut milk. After releasing the oil from the grinded spices, I will add the duck meat in it. Now we will mix the duck meat with the spices nicely and cover it with a lid. In the meantime, the whole duck is grilled. Now we will take all the grilled ducks out of the oven one by one. And then after an hour, our roast duck recipe is ready! Wow, what an amazing smell it is! Look how juicy the meat is! Amazingly tasty! Now let's taste the grilled duck! It is very delicious and crispy. If you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe to stay by my side.